Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed backup camera for a BMW X3. Car came with the original nav, but no backup camera, 10-inch screen with the iDrive. By going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. Also, it retains the backup sensors. By going back, you can see the sensors, they're activated on the screen. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. And also the unit comes with dynamic parking guidelines. Thank you and have a great day.